Hi guys, and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Tammy with Treasure Hunting Chicks. We're leaving the post office, heading down to UPS, and of course on the way to UPS is the Goodwill. We're actually going to go to a Goodwill that's about 25 miles from the house, but it's been raining cats and dogs here today, so everybody can get a little crazy, a little squirrely, so I think we'll just go to our local one. So I'll tell you what guys, I'll see you when we get there. Okay guys, we have arrived. Let me take a look at these parrots. I love parrots. Those are very cute. $7.99. I don't think I'm gonna have to think about those. See some old things on the shelves that we've already seen. And this guy just got put out. He's a cute chef, but not for us. Alright, so let's see what else they've got. It's heavy. I'm not sure what it is. It's got a hole in each end. Little husband and wife team. Bag full of magnets again. What's in this bag? Those are cute. They're birds with little stocking caps and little scarves on. Very cute. I think they're resin. That's what it feels like. So let's see what else they might have. That big beautiful bowl is still here. I would pick that up on 50% off day, but the thought of shipping is kind of scary. Let's see, what is in this baggie? Oh, broken unicorn, broken, unicorn, broken, and broken. Ooh, we're going to look through the plates again. This time we're going to just look at the collectible. Yeah, anything there. The big pink apple is still here. And that apple, that's a cute little pumpkin, but very lightweight. Oh, he's cute. Little bear doctor. You know, I didn't even look to see what color tag it was today. I might have to go back and check that out. Yeah, it looks like the paper mache shirt is still here. That I almost picked up the other day, but then I looked it up and it doesn't really do very well. Glass fruit does. And we're in the candles, and you know what we're looking for. Shelves are a little on the sparse side today. I don't really see anything for us. You guys see anything I'm missing? Okay, we're going to swing around to where they moved the vases to. And the faux flowers. Now my eye's always drawn to red, but that's very lightweight and flashed. This is kind of cool. It is contemporary, but it still is a nice pot. Pretty heavy. I like this pot. That's contemporary as well. Yay, more stuff. You guys see anything that I'm not seeing? Sometimes looking through the camera to make sure that I have a good view for you guys. Makes it hard to see. That is it. Oh, those are plastic. Did you see my hand come up really fast? Oh, I love cobalt blue as well, but that's really, really lightweight. It's too bad. Blue, that's such a pretty color. Anything up on the top? It's kind of pretty, but it's lightweight and it's contemporary. Oh, very lightweight. Well, nothing for us in the vases, kids. So let's move on. We got some bits and pieces of Christmas. I haven't really seen any Valentine's stuff here. Not much. There's a little tiny bit back there. Alright, so okay, well, we're gonna spin around the corner and we're gonna take a look at the metals, which is right across from the tchotchkes and the candle holders that we were just looking at. See if we can find something really cool. Something you guys would like. Okay, I'm not really seeing anything so far. Oh, that's very, very lightweight. Almost felt like 10. A couple letters left. Excuse me. I have to get a little close there for a minute. It's actually kind of a cool candle sconce, but there's only one that I can see. Those are very lightweight. I was hoping they might be Nambe. Nambe Company puts out some really good bowls and just different kitchen things. Okay, not really seeing anything on the metal aisle for us. We're going to swing around and we'll look at the woods and the plastics. The only thing I really look for in the plastics is some tumblers that are sought after. Ooh, he's spooky. Oh, he's glass. I was surprised that was glass. I was expecting it to be plastic. Okay, so far I'm not really seeing anything there, but we're gonna swing over to the woods now that we have it to ourselves for a moment or two. This store is always really busy. And it seems like it doesn't matter what day of the week you come. I think we looked at that before the last time we were here. But it's Christmassy. Dachshund bar soap. Always wash your paws. That's cute. It's that time of year, like I said before. If you guys are in the need of Easter baskets, Goodwill is a really good place to come and find them, but you want to come early because they go home sweet home. I kind of like him. He's contemporary, but he's kind of cute. That looks like it might go to something. Let's see, what else do we have that we can pop in this cart for us? You guys seeing anything? That's a nice basket. It's for decoration only, it says. Duh. You're not going to try to eat something out of it, are you? That would be interesting. That's cute. You put lights behind it. It lights up. It's like a luminary. Little birdhouse. More baskets. And what's this? He looks like he's wood and brass. It's a camel. He's actually pretty heavy, but he doesn't seem like he stands very well. Now, he's kind of cattywampus, and he's got some stain chipping off. So we're going to leave him behind. I like that tray. That's pretty. There's a gentleman that I watch that lives in Arizona, Ronnie, and every Goodwill he goes to has such a great wood section. He always finds such really cool things. And I haven't had the same kind of luck here, but I'm going to keep looking. Okay, we're going to pop around to the glass now. They're putting more stuff out. So hopefully we can find something they just put on the shelf that is worth flipping for a profit. This is pretty. I love the color. It's like a teal, but there's only one. It is pretty, but we'll have to leave it. I don't think one would do well at all by itself. They have replenished the glasses since the last time we were here. Remember, the shelves were pretty bare. The bubble gum glass is still there. It's worse for wear. It looks like it's been through the dishwasher a lot. It's not. It's a glass travel mug. That's cute. Matsalon. He's cute. I don't really know a lot about shot glasses and how they do. And he's kind of cute. I don't know. I might look that one up. Let's put him with the parrots. Hey. Well, I don't want to break him. Oh, hold on. And we are back. And I put him back. The whole set of them is like $12. I don't think the one would do too good by himself. And I'm going to put the parrot back as well. He's contemporary, and there's a lot on the market. So for those reasons, I'm going to sadly put him back. Or maybe keep him and put him on my patio. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Let's see if there's anything in the mugs. I see any Starbucks. Here you are, or there you go. Or any Anthropology is another good one. I got a set of 4 Anthropology mugs at this Goodwill. And it sounds really quick. That blue and white down there is on the bottom shelf is a Taliflora. Okay, let's see if there's anything on the end cap. This is cute. Oh, that really feels like it would break so easy. It's that kind of ceramic that chips really, really easy. Okay, we're gonna go over here to the cups and saucers and plates. Give me a B. That's kind of a cool platter down there. Let's take a look at this. It's made in China, which means it's contemporary, but yeah, it's kind of chipped up. I do like it though, but because it's got some chipping on it, I'm going to go ahead and leave it. Let's see, those are pretty. They're cute. A tab.
And $7.99 with a tag. 69 cents and $7.99 with a tag.
Ladra. Oh, I might have to look this one up, guys. Whoops. See what it says? I might have to look that one up. I'm going to put it carefully in the cart. So now that I've seen one of those, I definitely want to take a look. These were here the other day. Now they have the creamer and sugar, but it's missing the lid. And the teapot as well is missing the lid. The big bowl in the back was here the other day. I'm looking for Calavera as well as fire and light dishes and candle holders. Are you guys getting tired of hearing me say that? You guys, please post in the comments if I am missing stuff. You see it and I don't. It's the only way I'm going to learn and get better at this. And I'm working on getting better at editing as well. Editing out the background noise. Learning more features about the program that I'm using. So bear with me, guys. We will get there, I promise. I don't quit until I figure it out, I can tell you that. Okay, that's a pretty blue plate right there. I know it's not fire and light, but then it's also very lightweight, but it's just, there's that cobalt blue again. I love the cobalt blue. It's such a pretty color. It's like it's following me. Do you think it's following me? Not really seeing anything in the plates for us today. There's nothing. There's a platter up there. It's got a big, huge chip on it, so I'm not even going to pull it down to look at it. But there's not anything on the top shelves. Alright, so I think we're going to move around the corner to what I call the potpourri of kitchen-y stuff. And see what they've got there. Right at the back, I see these frosted banana boats. That horseshoe spoon, or the horseshoe spoon rest is still here. Okay, what is this bowl on the bottom? That's pretty, but that would be a bear to ship as well. Alright, so far, not really seeing anything. I have a feeling this day might be a bust. That is definitely flash painted. And these are still here. Yeah, they're cute, but they just don't do well. For some reason. Oh, that's very lightweight. My damaged Starbucks cup is still here. I think it'll be here for a while. at that price. And a beautiful plate from Italy is still here. What is that? This is teal. That's cute. Aisle's starting to get a little bit full. Handwear. Well, goes with that. Very lightweight as well. That's a relish dish, or felt pretty lightweight though, so I don't know how old it is, or if it's contemporary, because it doesn't really have a lot of weight. That's an Anchor Hawking. It's missing a lid. That one's an Anchor Hawking too, and they're wanting $10 for that and $6 for that. I don't think they're worth much more. Okay, let's see what's in the silverware grab bags. Just a bunch of butter knives. And that's just a bunch of, oh, they want $30 for that. Well, I think we're going to pass. It's kind of crazy, I tell you. Sometimes the prices are kind of crazy. Well, that wasn't all chipped up and had a mate. It's kind of a cool salt and pepper. But the other one is missing. Okay, not seeing anything else. Hi guys, so we are done in the Goodwill. Sorry I didn't get the camera turned back on. It stayed pretty busy and pretty crowded in there. So it would have been squished up against the aisles, and I don't think the filming would have been very good. They did roll out a cart, so I did find a couple things on there. This is one little item I found. It's a dandy Victorian porcelain doll head. These are vintage, and actually I couldn't believe they only wanted $1.97. I was expecting them to have like $5.97 or something like that on her. So I picked her up. She needs a little bit of cleaning, and she's going to be up and running in the Macari store pretty soon. Another item I picked up, where did it go? Things are rolling away from me. Was this sun catcher. It is all stained glass, mushrooms, and it's in really good condition. It does look like it's got some age on it. So that you'll be seeing in the Macari store really soon too. Get that all cleaned up. And then the last thing I found was, it's called a Trivana. It's a tea mug, and inside of here is a ceramic infuser for your tea. Then it's got the lid that goes on that keeps it warm as well. These are actually pretty popular, so I was excited when I saw that. So all three of those things came to a total of $5.93. I know I'm a big spender today. I wish I would have found more, but today wasn't the day for that. So maybe tomorrow or Wednesday we'll hit it again. The last couple days I have spent adding more things into the Macari store. Where you guys are going to be able to access the store is right below the video where you have your title. It says more. If you click on there, you'll be able to see the lid. I'm kind of tired today. I didn't sleep good last night. You're going to see the link to the Macari store, and it's also going to give you some information about how you guys as viewers can save if you do see something you like in the store. So that's it's under the description area. So that's where you'll find all of that information. As always, I love bringing you guys along. I love, love, love it. If you like what you see and want to see more, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. That helps the channel grow. If you want to know when the next video is going to come out, hit that notification button or not. You can just look at your leisure, but you guys just make it a lot more fun, you know. Please leave me some comments if you saw something that I missed. I'm trying to get better about how I film and not being so all over the place for you guys to make it more pleasurable. I'm also kind of honing in on my editing skills. Being a little technology challenged has been kind of challenging, but little by little I'm figuring it out. I had one viewer comment that I needed to use an app to kind of diminish the background noise a little bit, and I 100% agree. So I'm working on that as well. Until next time, guys, always my pleasure. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until then, peace out.